So what we have here is a Harley Davidson emblem on a Harley trike, American flags, dual American flags with an eagle. I think it looks beautiful. I think the color, the base color is awesome. The flags turned out really well. That front emblem is nice. And I haven't totally finished polishing this yet. Scott, if you're watching this, no worries. It's looking clean. Thanks for watching, everyone. I will have some tutorials coming out very soon. God bless. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.